In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add relative strength index in TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring the RSI onto your chart so you can quickly gauge momentum and spot potential overbought or oversold conditions right from your phone. Start by opening the TradingView mobile app on your device. Give it a second to load the main interface. TradingView's mobile layout is designed to mirror the desktop experience in a compact way, so the tools you need are right within reach. Next, head to the Charts section using the menu at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll view price action and add any analysis tools. When the chart opens, you'll see the current symbol and time frame you last viewed. Don't worry about changing any of that for now. The goal is simply to place the RSI on whatever chart you're looking at so you can use it on any market later. Now look for the indicators icon. On mobile, it appears like a small graph-style symbol near the top of the chart area. Tap it to open the indicators menu. You'll see a search bar at the top. Tap into that and start typing relative strength index. As you type, results will filter in. You're looking for the built-in version labeled relative strength index or RSI. This is the standard indicator most traders use for momentum analysis. When you see it in the list, tap it. TradingView will instantly add the RSI to your chart, usually in a separate panel beneath price. You should now see a line oscillating between 0 and 100. Along with reference levels commonly set around 30 and 70. That visual makes it easy to spot when momentum might be cooling off or heating up. If the RSI appears and the chart looks a bit compressed, a quick pinch to zoom lets you view both price and the RSI panel more comfortably. That's it. You've successfully added the relative strength index in TradingView Mobile, and you're ready to incorporate momentum insights into your charting on the go.